monster trucks are causing a rumble on the Rainbow Bridge. Will it hold up under their weight? Stay tuned to find out what happens next.
What is going on?
Oh no! Earthquake.
Quick! Someone clear the way!
Hurry up.
Hey, calm down.
Hey, stop.
Oh no! The Rainbow Bridge has crumbled! We need the rescue team to come and save the day!
I will call someone to help.
Let's go.
The helicopter and transport truck are on their way! Stay calm, everyone!
Oh my god, it's terrible. Let me help you.
All right, buckle up, everyone! The helicopter is swooping in for a
Me
rescue
first.
mission. Hold on tight! It's gonna be an epic liftoff! Get ready for a smooth ride, cars! Our trusty transport truck is here to take you to the repair station. No bumps on this journey! Alrighty, cars and trucks, let's roll into the repair station and erase those scratches!
We have to repair the bridge.
Okay, let's go.
Let's construct a vibrant rainbow bridge as a tribute to the incredible unity, strength, and teamwork showcased by our heroic rescue team! Our helicopter friends truly showcase their swift and efficient rescue skills! Hats off to our dedicated police truck! He's not just maintaining law and order, but also contributing to the reconstruction efforts. Let's stack these colorful Lego blocks skillfully to create a solid and vibrant base for our rainbow bridge. Success indeed! A big thank you to everyone!
Yo, 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 yo!
I'm out of fuel! Hey!
What happened?
No gas, nowhere to refill.
There's no gas station here. I think we need help.
5 minutes later.
Hey!
Our mission is to help that semi-truck.
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo!
Doggy! Let's welcome and ride!
Go, go, go!
Amazing.
Easy, gotcha.
This could happen again! We need to build a new road connecting to the nearest gas station.
That will help everyone.
We need backup!
1 hour later.
Here we go!
I got a bad feeling about this.
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Pouring cement, glug, glug, glug.
Hooray! Come on, you can do it! Full tank!
Bye, have a great time.
Hey!
Worth it! No more running out of gas. Good planning prevents future problems.
Hey!
I'm so sleepy. After this trip, I need to sleep for a whole day.
Who would leave nails here like this?
Oh my God!
What? Who can save the helicopter?
Hey!
Hey, man, please save the helicopter. Okay already.
Go, go, go!
The tracks are broken. How am I supposed to get there?
Let me help you.
Hey, what happened?
We need you guys to fix this railway.
Okay, let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo!
Much later. But what about the pile of nails and the helicopter? Okay, here goes.
Hey boy, wake up! Wake up!
Ah, what's wrong?
Here are the nails of you.
Huh? When did I fall asleep?
So boring.
The opportunity has arrived. Do you want to play with me to relieve your boredom?
I'm not going to hang out with troublemakers like you.
I won't cause any trouble. We're just having fun.
But,
It's just for fun.
okay, but don't break anything.
Of course. Okay already.
Hey!
Are you ready?
Of course! It's not easy to be better than me. Grumpy, where are you? Grumpy, it's all your fault.
Those who look down on me deserved it.
What's wrong?
Much later.
What happened to you?
Help me. Grumpy tricked me.
Come on, you can do it.
Okay, here we go.
The important thing now is to reorganize the construction site.
Transform!
Yo, 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 yo!
Woo! Donkey, let's rope 'em and ride. Oh yeah!
Good job.
That's ridiculous! I won't let this go!
Yay, job done.
I want to remind you. Huh? You shouldn't listen to strangers and play around with them.
I should have realized that Grumpy wasn't trustworthy.
That's good to know. Now let me play with you.
Hooray, you're great.
Bing bang.
Yo, 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 yo.
Why did you suddenly stop in the middle of the bridge?
I'm tired.
But you're blocking everyone's way.
What can I do now? I just need to rest.
But
That's annoying.
And it smells awful, too. Oh, yeah.
Something's wrong, let's go. Let's roll out. Transform!
Transform!
Transform.
doggy, let's rope 'em and ride.
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo.
Hey, stop!
Everyone step back. If you don't move, we'll take drastic measures.
You suck!
We'll handle this.
1 hour later.
Okay, here goes.
I can do it! Abracadabra!
Easy!
The new bridge is finished. Everyone please use this way.
But
We'll handle this.
Hey!
get out!
Now people can use both bridges.
Let's go!
Okay, here we go.
Don't let personal gain negatively impact others.
Wait for me, bros.
Doggy, let's rope 'em and ride. There's not enough sand. What should we do now?
Instead of pacing back and forth, you should go find some sand.
That's right. Okay, you watch the construction site. I'm going now. Huh? Where can I find sand now? Over there. Is that the sand lake? Hey, sand, I'm coming.
Hey, what happened?
Help me! I'm trapped in the lake.
Let me help you.
This is a ball pit. You can't do that.
What should I do now?
Call for emergency immediately.
Emergency! Emergency!
Much later.
Let's go!
Assemble quickly! Ready, transform!
Hey!
Help me!
Okay already.
10 years later.
Whoa! Amazing!
Okay, here we go.
Yay! Thank you guys very much.
It's okay, this is our job. What happened?
The construction site needs sand. You guys help me find, please.
I thought it was something serious, but it's too simple.
Thank goodness there's sand. There's sand. Thank you, guys.
Nothing, just build a really good structure. What are you standing there for? Let's party!
Yo, 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 yo.
I need to hurry. I'm running late.
It's too late. I'll get a pay cut.
Go, go, go.
Get out of my way!
You're the one who should get out of the way. Stop it! Go argue somewhere else. Let us go.
That's right. Get out of the way.
Yo, 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 yo.
What's wrong?
It looks like they're stuck. Let's go deal with it.
Transform!
Everyone, please get out of the way.
Okay already.
You step back too!
But I can't back down.
Nani?
Hey!
Perhaps we need to build another bridge.
I think so.
So let's get started. Water blast, go.
Amazing.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah! Let's go!
Thank you.
Bye, have a great time.
Hooray! Thank you guys.
Let us help you.
Come on, you can do it!
Okay, here goes.
Bing bang.
Thank you.
Hey!
Yo, 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 yo.
Hooray! Let's try.
Is that okay?
That's okay.
Okay, let's rope them and ride. I can move now. Thank you guys. See you later.
Amazing.
Yo, 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 yo. Hey team, sandstorm incoming.
Uh-oh, that looks bad. Calm down. Everyone hold your positions.
Oh my God!
Come on, come on.
Oh no, this is a disaster. We need help.
All right, we have another mission. Let's transform.
Transform!
We need to clear this fast.
Yo, 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 yo.
Let me handle this.
I'm here to help. Keep the area safe. No slip-ups.
Go, 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 go.
Incoming sand.
Phew, that was close. Stay alert. The sand can shift anytime.
Bing bang.